subject proficiency for a specific discipline, communication arts, mathematics, science, social science, contemporary Philippine arts, religious studies. Also for subject proficiency for specialized discipline, biology, calculus, chemistry, physics, and capstone project. Also a service awardee as the Sub-Secretary. All earned a luncheon imposed by Mr. Junat and Mrs. Julian Alojado, the parents. Laurel Dolly Abigail White from Humanities and Social Sciences with highest honors and the batch salutatorian. She will also be receiving the following awards: subject proficiency for specific discipline, communication arts. Also,